Alright everybody, so here I am, going to be putting the lights on, bottom of the car, as you can see what lights they are. These are RGB. When I brought it from eBay, that's what it said, even though it said must-win, but since she's the RGB ones, they look really good. So for a lot of you guys, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and seen a lot of you guys putting down, obviously you're going to need red, it's macan, but a lot of you guys are putting your lights on. And you had to crank up your car. I'm so sorry about that. This car that I have, you see, I do have something called air suspension. Then I can raise the car up really pretty high. So let's just give you an idea. You see that wheel gap. And then you can kind of see how much it lifts up from the floor. It's pretty nice. So then I don't need to get a lift or anything to do that. That's why I prefer to have crossover vehicles now, because sedans, way too low. Too much headache, especially when it comes to projects like this. So I'm gonna be starting now, and then I'll keep you guys posted. Yo bro, got these lights working. So I had to like hook it up here, unplug that, plug it there, put that in there. I mean, I'm gonna fix all this up. And then later today, I'll put the wires in. Essentially, I'm gonna run the cord kind of like right out of here. So like you'll see it, like I run it here and through there. So I got that little crease. And then basically out of here, right behind, and I'm gonna run it all down here, so then it just goes straight under. So yeah, later today I'll have these lights up and rolling. You see them. Yeah, they look good. They look good. I'm mad excited. I can change the colors: red, green, blue. You name it. It's pretty cool. Finally got it working.
Wow. Taking the pain away, I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box with I own